Hey, I'm Bryson with Trick Tools, and this is the Kalamazoo DS20 disc grinder. It's a 20-inch disc grinder. This specific one we have sitting here has a 1.5 horse single-phase 220 motor, but it's also available with a 2-horse 3-phase motor. It's a Baldor motor. It's got a fan on the back here for cooling. It can be run in both forward and reverse, so either direction, depending on how you want to run it. It's a pretty simple machine, but you get a couple of adjustments here, so you can raise the table up and down up to 6 inches. There's a nice lever here on the back. You rotate that down, spin it up, and when you go all the way to the bottom, it allows you all the space here to be able to swap your discs out, which the discs are all a sticky back, so when you get them off there, you can easily apply your new one. And then the table here can be rotated, so you got a lever here to tighten it in place, and then you can rotate it 30 degrees up this way and then 45 degrees down in the other direction. So it gives you the flexibility to grind on some different angles, and then when you're done, you lock it in place here. You have a nice cast iron base that it's built on. It's got a nice solid platform. You get a couple of bolts here on the back side to be able to level it out on your floor, and runs pretty easily. The guard here on the top can be moved back for easy access for the disc change as well. And the disc is balanced and weighted, so when it gets running, it runs pretty much with ease at full speed, which is 1740 RPM. And yeah, it's a typical 20-inch disc grinder, and from the fact that when you're grinding, you can remove a lot of material real easily. And because of the horsepower of the motors and the weighted disc, it's not going to slow down or bog down when you're really trying to grind through that material. So you get a nice little miter gauge here on the top, and you know, can give yourself some stability as you're grinding. The switch here on this side, basically you get forward and reverse like I said, and that's pretty much about it with this. Oh, you also do get the vacuum port here on the bottom to be able to help control the dust in your shop, and hook up a vacuum for some easy cleanup, which is a nice feature on this machine as well. So for more information on the Kalamazoo DS20, visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. Give us a call and we're answering your questions. So subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high performance tools for the fabricator.